The other day, Forrest asked me a really good question. He said, "You're a naturopath. You've worked with tens and tens of thousands of clients. You've worked with literally thousands of products. Why would you want to play around with this little patch?" And after understanding the technology and working with a lot of people, here's what I really came to the conclusion of. You know, when you're hurting, and when a whole lot of things are going on and you're under a lot of stress, you really don't care that there might be a root issue, that there could be contributors to why you're a hot mess. You just want some relief. And here's what I have discovered. If that relief has a lot of chemicals, a lot of toxins, it's very expensive, it's invasive, that's not very easy. And there could be side effects that are as big as the problems. So today what I want to do is to help you understand how you can take advantage of what we're discovering to be a revolutionary new tool for virtually anybody of any age, anywhere on the globe. And that is the Super Patch. Now, I've done many videos on, I think, all the different patches, but what I want to do here is help you know how to get great results, because one of my top priorities is results with authenticity and keep it easy. Now, in the process of getting healthy, any health issue you have, there's a root. And once you identify the root and address it, problems go away. But you know what? That takes time, takes a lot of energy, and it usually takes a lot of resources in people and products. And sometimes you just don't have the margin for that. And as I've worked with the patch on clients, on myself, on Forrest, different people, when we find the patch or the patch combination applied to the best place for them, it opens up this reservoir of margin so that you can feel so much better. And then, as you're interested, explore it more, maybe through our Easy community, our mentoring program, and get to the root and just keep getting better and better and better and age amazingly well, like truly fine wine. Now, I'm not a wine drinker, but they say that wine can age beautifully, and you know what? So can you. So I want to go through some of the most common questions that I get. First of all, people will ask, well, where do I put this? That is different for everybody. I had someone who was not having any ability to sleep. I gave her some Rem patches just to try. She put it on the inside of her right ankle bone because there's an insomnia point there. It agitated her. On her own, she put it right here. She slept great. Right here on her wrist, that worked for her. So everybody is different in where to apply. Some of the most popular places are back of the neck. If you go down your neck, there's one little vertebra that sticks out. That's your T1. And if you go right below it, then it's going to be underneath any shirt you're wearing or anything, so it's not going to cause a problem. It's not going to be rubbing right at a neckline. That's one that really supports the nervous system. It's one of my favorites. You might also find that the upper arms, because there's usually not a lot of hair there, it can go right on the skin. You might do the outside or the inside of your thigh. Now, when you're working on pain, which is the freedom patch, let's say that you've got knee pain and it really hurts. This is your knee. You'd want to put it above the knee between the pain point and the brain. And that way, pain goes through the interrupt in the pain freedom patch and gives that information to the brain. So application is different for everybody. You play around, but the benefit is whichever patch you're working with, you have 28 of them. So you can play and discover where's the best place for you to apply it. The patches are waterproof, but if you're going to be sweating a lot or swimming, try to put it where it's getting the least water exposure. Now, typically, you can put them on in the morning after you've showered, wear them 24 hours, and then you replace it. Because basically, it's a 24-hour approach support. Now, with Rem, I suggest that you put it on somewhere in the evening, 1, 2, maybe 3 hours before you want to fall asleep, and then take it off in the morning because you don't want to sleep all day. But the others, pretty much 24 hours. Now, I'm going to share a few of my favorites and favorite combinations because when you take advantage of that first order 25% discount, information is below in our description. You might want to have several that you try because I have a little like reservoir of patches that are my favorites. Forrest has a different group because everybody's different. And if you're ordering for your family or a couple of friends, you might want to put virtually all the patches in there and try it because if nothing works for anybody, which is pretty rare, return and get your money back. So here's some of my favorites. I personally think everybody should be on Peace because there's so much stress, and Peace is designed to calm your nervous system. So Peace can be worn with anything. If you're dealing with pain, for sure you want Freedom, applying it close to that pain point. Freedom and Peace work really well together. Peace and Rem work really well together because if you can be at peace, it's easier to sleep. And Focus, that one works really well. And I found that many times if people combine Focus and Peace and Rem, that's a great combination for them. Now, if you have trouble with balance or you want stellar performance as an athlete, then either Liberty to make sure you've got balance or Victory to just be able to output your very best in sports performance, or give both of them a try, or mix your Victory with a little bit of Peace so that you have better recovery. Those would be fun things to play with, and they're easily able to be assessed because you can look at your performance, use the patch without the Victory without Peace, see what happens. Victory with Peace, see what happens. See, you get to become a detective and discover what your body is telling you. You might also say, well, Cheryl, I'd really like a little bit of energy. Well, Boost is great for energy. However, if you think about it, you're not going to wear that at night. So that one you'd put on in the morning, you'd take it off, maybe put Rem on so that you sleep well. Another one that's very helpful if you're wanting to maybe release some weight or break some addictions like smoking or alcohol, Kick It is really good to help you kick that addictive behavior. And again, you might want to blend Kick It with Peace and then Ignite, because Ignite will help you burn up to another 25% calories that you're consuming in your resting state and improve your metabolism. So those would be three that you can try, see what happens over the course of 28 days. Now, another combination that can be very helpful is Lumi for skin and Defend. Because when we have skin issues, eruptions, itches, rashes, there's something going on in our GI tract. And that means our immune system is lower. So when you work with Defend, remember, we're not making any health claims because this isn't a supplement or a medication. It's just information going to the brain. But Lumi and Defend, take a picture at the beginning, face, skin, wherever the problem is, and then maybe take one every 3 or 4 days over a 28-day period. What happens to your skin, to any rashes, any eruptions, any itching? And then you go, maybe it's stress, so you add on Peace. Do you see that you can just play, notice, and discover? At Easy, we teach people. In our Easy Mentoring program, we teach people to play, notice, and discover what works for you. Because what works for you might not work for me, might not work for Forrest, but I can assure you that there's a place for a little bit of frequency to go in through your skin, to your nervous system, to your brain, to help your brain do what it naturally knows how to do. So below in the description, take advantage of our affiliate link. Make that first order for 25% off, 30-day money-back guarantee, and just start playing. Just start noticing and discovering. And always remember, if it's too hard, it's not easy. And at Lifestyle for Health, we're all about easy. And the best way to do that, play, Notice, discover.